Hey guys, this is day 8, which would make it dose 15. I weighed myself a little while ago. I weighed 221, and like I said, I need to go back to the video and see what I started out at. I think it was 228, if I'm not mistaken. But so anyway, that's it's about right, 1.5 to 2 pounds a day, something like that. Maybe a pound. Even if it's a pound, that's okay, because I'm not following the protocol exactly like you're supposed to. So I'm happy with the results. My pants are getting a lot looser. My uniforms, they don't hurt when I button them, so that's a good thing. And this is my lunch, which is my own rendition of a Southwest salad. Got the corn, the grilled chicken, and the little toasty thingamajigers, whatever they are. And I went and got some fat-free salad dressing from Kroger, and that's what I'm going to use. And let me show you that. That works out really well too. It tastes good. I actually like it if I could find it. I don't know what I did with it. Here it is, up in this side. I've also got that's not it. Also, I got some Thousand Island that's fat-free also, but this I've got, it's calorie-free. Got a little bit of sodium in it, but they're really, really good for the salad. And it's got, let's see, what's it got in it? Total carb 0, total fat 0, saturated fat 0, fiber 0, trans fat 0, sugars 0, cholesterol 0, sodium 290 milligrams, 12%, and the serving size is 2 tablespoons. Servings per container of 12. So really, if you use this, they didn't have this back when this diet was made. So, you know, this has got sodium in it. So if I eat this, I'm gonna basically retain a little bit of water, which is gonna make me look like I've gained weight. But you know, if you eat a pound of food a day, and that's all you eat, I hope, if it's a pound, it's not probably even a pound, but if you eat a pound of food a day and that's all you eat, you really can't have a net gain of 3 pounds of body weight. You see what I'm saying? You can only have a net gain of water weight, and then if you stay on the protocol, that eventually just will flush out. But this is the best I could do with the dressing, because if I use the dressing comes with it, this salad's got a few more calories. So that's how you got to watch out what you're doing. And then, like I said, my Kool-Aid, my Apriva, it has, I don't know if you can see that, it has, get it out of the light here, let me see, bring it down some. It has absolutely nothing in it, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is like not even putting it in there. So it doesn't even have sodium. There is nothing. So I mean, maybe I use 2 cups of it, so they're saying serving size is 1 teaspoon, but they're saying it has nothing in it. So I can't see how it has absolutely nothing in it, but I've been doing this for a long time, and this is really good stuff. And I use it in my oatmeal. I use it to sweeten my foods, but I don't do it hot. So whatever I do it in, I do it before I heat it up. I do it after it's heated up, and then I cool it down or put it in and stir it up real quick with water to cool it down. So nothing above like 100 degrees, I guess. But anyway, so this is my salad I'm going to eat today. I've got to go do some running, and then I'm going to come home, and I'm working on the CNC videos, the CNC router videos. So I'm going to go downstairs and get the top put on the CNC router, hopefully today, make a video. I'm 77% uploaded on the one I did yesterday, which I'm looking at right now. It's 77% done. That is a 1-hour video on putting the base together. So it's a different subject, but and you know, like I said, my channel is geared toward airplanes and aviation. But guess what? If you want to have your gross weight go up on your airplane or go down when you're fully loaded, lose 10, 15, 20, 30 pounds. You lose 40 pounds, that's 40 pounds of extra baggage you can put in your airplane. Think about that. So anyway, this diet is pertinent to the aviation community and every other thing, because I was at work, my knees were starting to hurt. You know, I was getting overweight, carrying around 40, 50, 60 pounds extra. It adds up. So getting rid of that. I feel better at work now. I feel a lot better after doing this diet. So anyway, I'm gonna eat my lunch, and I will be back tonight to do my my loading video. I mean my dose video again. That would be it would be dose 16 tonight, 15 now. So keep following. I don't know if my face is getting any thinner, but I feel better. So this diet is awesome and amazing. And if you have any questions or comments, ask me in the comments, and I can help you out. Thank you. I'm getting way ahead of myself here. Actually, yeah, this is dose 15. And all my markings, I got still that marking I put on there. So let me get dose 15 out of the way. There we go. Okay, I will be back with you all tonight, and I'll do the next dose.